Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to convert your Lovable AI website into a mobile app. First, open the app you created on Lovable AI. Once your project is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Publish button. After you click it, you will see the option to publish again. Click on Publish again to confirm. Lovable will now publish your app and generate a live URL for it. When the publishing process is finished, you will see the URL provided by Lovable. Copy that URL. You can either copy it directly from the pop-up window or copy it from the address bar at the top of your browser. Now go to a wrapper website that can convert a website into an Android or iOS app file. Some examples are Median.co or AppMyWeb. Open one of these platforms in your browser. Once you are on the website, find the field where you can enter your website link. Paste the Lovable URL into the field, then click on the button that says Build App. After that, you will be asked to enter your app name. Type the name you want for your app and click on Start Building My App. The platform will now begin generating your app. Wait until the process is complete. When it finishes, you will see a download button. Click on it. On the left side, choose the file type you need, such as APK, AAB, or IPA. Then click on Build. After some time, the final file will be ready. Click on Download. Now you can upload this file to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Thanks for watching.